I said we could never be, oh I even tried, I don't know why we tried, I don't know why we tried.
Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me. I wanted to do another video and today's video is going to be on the unboxing of my new camera. So first I want to get started and I want to let you guys know that I have purchased the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II camera and I ordered this camera bundle from Amazon.com, and so I am going to be opening it up today and letting you guys as well as myself see what it all entails. So first I want to say that with the bundle I got the camera itself, I got a handy dandy flexible tripod, it's purple, and I also received a bag for the camera to put the camera in when I'm traveling, and I also wanted to let you guys know that it also came with a ultra micro SD HC card. So that was what came with the bundle that I bought, and I will put the description the link in the description box below, letting you guys know where I got it from, exactly which bundle it was, and you guys can see from there how much it was and if you guys decide on this being a camera for you. So let me start by letting you guys know that I am a first-time owner of a Canon camera, so I'm pretty excited. I've done a lot of research over the past 2 months. Up until this moment, I have been using my iPhone XR to provide content for you guys, and so after today I will be using this camera instead, and so I did a lot of research. I tried to research videos that YouTubers may buy, videos that vloggers may buy, and of course, coming from Amazon.com, there are a lot of cameras that you could purchase, and there are a lot of cameras that came up for people that vlog per se. And so I kind of narrowed it down and I went into, okay, let's see what kind of cameras do YouTubers use. So I did that, and the first thing that popped up was this camera, or this was one of the cameras that YouTubers use, because there are some out there that are way more expensive, way cheaper, and it probably has the same quality, if not better, of this camera itself. Myself personally, I've always wanted a Canon, so I have been saving, and I made a way to buy myself a Canon camera. And so yeah, let's get into opening it up and see what it's all about. So when you open the box, it looks a little bit like this. It has quite a few bit of things in it. I don't know if you guys can see that, probably. And so when you open it, the first thing that comes out looks like is the battery charging port. And so with that, you could just pop the battery in out of the camera, plug this in, and charge the battery versus the whole camera. So I really like that feature because I don't want to have my camera over in the corner or up on the counter. When also you can buy other batteries. You can buy extra batteries to go with this camera. So while this one is charging, I can still be vlogging. I wouldn't have a reason to not be vlogging. So this is the cord to that. And also this is the little wristband that you could put on the camera to have the strap around your wrist if you want to carry it like that. If not, then you also have this bag that you can store everything in as well. And so opening that, it's a strap that's about this long, basic strap. And so you just put it into the side of the camera and have it around your wrist like this. And you can go from there. So now I'm opening up the actual package for the camera itself. So here is the camera. It is very pretty, guys. I don't know if this video or this picture of it may not do any justice, but I love the way that it is. It's a very sturdy camera. I will say that it's pretty heavy to be a small camera, and it's black. I love black. in everything. And so looking at it, you can see that there's the front frame for the camera. And then if you look at the top, there's the button for the power on. There's the button for different settings of what you're taking a picture for, or the reason why. And when you turn it around, you can see the screen, and you can also see some other buttons over here for other things that you could do with this camera. And so I basically purposely purchased this kind of camera because I love the feature of that you can lift up the screen and you can vlog from here, you can be in public, you can do however you need to do, but you have that to see yourself and anybody else that you may be having in your video. And so I wanted a camera specifically for that reason, to be able to either lift up, or it looks like you can even do it like that. And then this part is opened up. But I was very disappointed because the cameras that have the screen that can come out to the side, unfortunately, they have the ones that are very, very, very less expensive. I don't want to say cheap, but then they have the ones that also the camera, the lens come out to this comes out to the side, but it's very expensive. So I was like, okay, I guess I just have to learn how to deal with this kind and just deal with it being able to do like that. But it's not going left or right, like it's not coming out of the side. So I am okay with that. And so I will turn this on now and give you guys, as you guys can see, when I turned it on, the lens came out. And then if I turn it around to you guys, it automatically sends you in the mode of setting it up, the date, the time, the year, and all the settings that you want to set it up. And I'm not going to do that right now in this video, but I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what I have right here. And if you close it, the lens, if you turn off the lens, go back in. I really, really, really like this camera. And I would say that it was a very good investment for myself, because I've never owned a Canon camera, and I really, really, really wanted a nice camera that I can actually have for a long time. As far as it go with the bundle, I really liked what came with the bundle because it was just what I needed. I needed a camera, I needed a tripod, and I needed a bag. Basically, that's all I want. And I could have gone and gotten an SD card. I could have gone and gotten, a battery charger. I could have gone and gotten extra batteries, which I will do in the future. They did have some that came with extra batteries, but the tripod wasn't what I wanted, or the bag didn't look the way I wanted. So it was like one or two things each time different that I couldn't deal with in the bundle. So I just basically got this one because I really love it. Now there are some that have way more things in the bundle, but obviously it's more expensive. And then they have some that just come with fewer things than what I have in my bundle. And they also have it to where you can just buy the camera. And no bag, no tripod, no extra batteries, no SD cards. And I just didn't want to buy just the camera and then have to go out and get extra stuff when the price itself for what I got was a very good deal. And so if anybody out there knows about the Canon or owns a Canon like this one, feel free to leave in the comments how well you like it, what you don't like, pros and cons about it. That way I can either look out for those things if they're bad, and then enjoy the things that are good. And so with that, I also want to let you guys know that if you've been a subscriber to my channel over the last couple months, you know that my channel has been based around beauty, nails, and hair compilations. And if you also have been following my channel, you will know that my channel name changed. My channel name was Ebony Style, and I changed it to Ebony's World. So when you're looking at Ebony Style, it kind of gives you an idea of how I would get my hair, how I would get my nails, how I would do my makeup. And fun fact, I don't wear makeup. So, and then Ebony's World was more so like everything that comes with me, I just didn't see it fit to kind of leave my family out. Like, you guys will learn over time. I have 2 children. I'm married. I work a great job. And there's more to me than just, you know, hair, nails, and beauty. And so with this channel, you guys will see I'm going to start doing vlogs. I'm going to start doing days in the life of. I'm going to start doing mukbangs. I'm going to do pranks. I'm going to do just everything. I want you guys to see me in my entirety. I don't feel like I should have to keep out the most important things about me and my life. And I tossed back and forth with it. Like, at first when I started my channel, I was like, oh, it's going to be my family. And then I was like, nah. And then I was like, okay, let's do this. Mind you, I have a passion for hair, beauty, nails, everything like that. But I also have a passion, and I love and enjoy my family and my kids and things that we do, you know, in everyday life. And so I just wanted to share that piece of me with you guys. And so my first video following this one, will be a seafood boil mukbang. And so with that will be me doing what I love. It's one of those things. I love seafood. So what better way to introduce my new channel, quote unquote, not new channel, quote unquote, than to give you guys a little bit more inside of my life, my world, and what I really enjoy. And so if you guys are all for it, thumbs up this video. And if you guys, you know, say, well, you know, we kind of like that you do only this, express that to me too, because I'm going to still do beauty and nails and hair videos. It's just going to be intertwined into one thing. I feel like I didn't want to designate myself to just one thing when I have so many other talents. And so if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. And yeah, we will grow together on this journey. I'm very excited to be able to finally sit in front of you guys and let you guys see who I am, you know, see what I love, see what I do, share everything with you guys, and not feel awkward about it, you know. I've already grown to love my YouTube family, and I appreciate you guys for being here. And I hope that you guys will continue to go with me on this journey of newness and get to see my babies, get to see my wonderful husband, and just grow with us. And so my heart is full. My heart is very full because I'm now at a place where I am doing what I love to do. It took a while for me. I kept thinking about it and saying, no, I'm not ready for that. I don't have time for that. I can't do that. And when you set yourself up like that, that's when things don't go your way as is. So I just want to say thank you to you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to let me know about this wonderful camera. Yeah, we will definitely stay in tune. So yeah, I love you guys and thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon. Bye.